type 1 we are taking one more example. Example is fx equal to x plus integration 0 to pi by 2 sine of x plus y fy dy. Okay, so here we have to find out fx, we have to find out. Okay, so one thing is what we don't know, what is f of y, and limit is what 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so limit is what constant. So how to solve? So in type 1 what you will do, fx equal to, this one I am writing here, fx equal to x plus integration 0 to pi by 2 sine of x plus y, we can expand as what, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, and f of y dy. So this one we can write what, fx equal to x plus, okay, here we can do separate integration, sin x cos y f of y dy we will do separate. So what will come here, 0 to pi by 2 sin x cos y f of y dy plus integration of 0 to pi by 2, what we will have, cos x sin y f of y dy. This we will do. So this one we can add what, fx equal to x plus, so here we are integrating with respect to y, so sin x is what, constant, so we can take outside, so sin x we can take outside from integration. Okay, so this one we will do 0 to pi by 2 cos y f of y dy plus, here cos x we can take outside, cos x outside, integration 0 to pi by 2 sin y f of y dy. Okay, so this integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos y f y dy, so this is what, constant. Similarly this is also constant because 0 to pi by 2, so if you integrate this one, this will come a value, so this is a constant. So here what we can take, this one we are taking what, a, and this one we are taking what, b. So here what will come, fx will come what, x plus a sin x plus b cos x, where a is what, 0 to pi by 2 cos y f of y dy, and what is b, integration 0 to pi by 2 sin y f of y dy. This is a, this is b, and this is fx. So okay, a value we got, integration 0 to pi by 2 cos y, in a value is what, integration 0 to pi by 2 cos y into f of y. So what is f of y? So instead of x we will put y, so y plus a sin y plus b cos y. So what will come here, y plus a sin y plus b cos y dy. This will come. So we will integrate. So here what will come, a integration 0 to pi by 2. Okay, this one we can add y cos y dy plus integration 0 to pi by 2, a is outside, sin y cos y dy plus b is outside, integration 0 to pi by 2 cos square y dy. Okay, so what will come here, so this one what will come, a integration 0 to pi by 2 y cos y dy. So here we will use u into v. So this is integrating function, this is differentiating function. So y is outside, integration of cos y is what, sin y, limit where to where you have to put, 0 to pi by 2 minus big integration 0 to pi by 2, y differentiation what will come, 1 cos y integration sin y dy plus a integration 0 to pi by 2 sin y cos y dy. This one we have to do. So here if I take sin y as t, then cos y dy is what, dt. So this one integration what will come, sin square y divided by 2 limit 0 to pi by 2 plus b, this one. Okay, so this one integration how to do. Okay, so here we will use property. What property we will use, that I will write here, integration a to b fx dx. Okay, so this one we can write what, integration of a to b 1 by 2. okay, fx plus f of a plus b minus x dx. Okay, or we can use one more property, integration 0 to 2a fx dx. This will become integration 0 to a fx plus f of 2a minus x dx. So any one property we can use. Okay, suppose we are using 0 to 2a. So here what will come? B integration 0 to pi by 4 will come. This will come what? Cos square y plus cos 2a. 2a is what? Pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus y square dy. This will come. Okay, so what will come here? A. If I put here pi by 2 here, so sin pi by 2 is what? 1, and y value is what? Pi by 2, so what will come? Pi by 2. If I put 0 here, so what will come? 0 will come. So pi by 2 minus 0, pi by 2 only, minus sin y integration what will come? Minus cos y, limit is 0 to pi by 2, plus a. 2 we can take outside, then you will put sin pi by 2. So sin square pi by 2 is what? 1, minus, if I put 0, sin square 0 is what? 0. So this will come 0, plus b integration 0 to pi by 4. This is what? Cos square y plus cos pi by 2 minus y is what? Sin y. So this is sin square y. So cos square y plus sin square y is what? 1. So this is what? 1 into dy. This will come. Okay, so what is a value? What will come? I am writing here. A value is what? Pi by 2 minus, if I put here pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is what? 0. Cos pi by 2 is what? 0, minus, if I put 0 here, so minus of cos 0. So what will come here? Minus of cos 0. This will come. And here what will come? A by 2, 1 minus 0 is what? 1 only. So what will come? Plus a by 2. And b, a by 2 plus b outside, integration 1 is what? Y. So what will come? Y, limit 0 to pi by 2. So from here a value is what? Pi by 2. Okay, minus, this minus minus what? Plus cos 0 is what? 1. So what will come? Minus 1 plus a by 2 plus b. If I put, this is pi by 4, so limit is what? Pi by 4. So if I put pi by 4 minus 0. So what will come here? Pi by 4. This we got a value. Similarly b value. B is what? Integration 0 to pi by 2 sin y f y dy. So b will come what? Integration 0 to pi by 2 sin y. What is f of y? So here we have to put y. So what will come here? Y plus a sin y plus b cos y dy. This will come. So this will come b equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 y sin y plus a outside, integration 0 to pi by 2 sin square y dy. Here also dy will come, plus b outside, integration 0 to pi by 2 sin y cos y dy. This will come. So here what come? B equal to, here we have to use u into v. So this is what? Integrating function, this is differentiating function. So what will come here? Y is outside, integration sin y is what? Minus cos y, limit 0 to pi by 2 minus integration 0 to pi by 2. Differential y is what? 1. Integration sin y is what? Minus cos y dy plus a. Here we are using property. So 0 to pi by 2, we can add 0 to pi by 4 sin square y plus sine of pi by 2 minus y square. So sine square pi by 2 minus y dy plus b as it is. Here sin y, if I take t, cos y dy is what? dt. So this will come what? Sine square y divided by 2, limit 0 to pi by 2. This will come. Okay, so what we can write here? B equal to, okay, this is what? If I put pi by 2 here, cos pi by 2 is what? 0. Cos pi by 2 is what? 0. And if I put 0, so this is 0, because if I put 0, so y will be 0, so the total term is what? 0. So this will be 0. Okay, minus minus plus. Okay, 0 to pi by 2 cos y dy. Okay, cos y integration what? Sin y. So this will come what? Sin y, limit 0 to pi by 2. Okay, then plus a 0 to pi by 2 sin square y, sin square pi by 2 minus y is what? Cos square y. So cos square y plus sin square y is what? 1. So this will come out 1 into dy. So integration 0 to pi by 4 1 into dy plus b. Here if I put pi by 2, so b by 2 we can take 2, we can take outside. If I put pi by 2, so sin square pi by 2 is what? 1, and if I put 0, so 0 will come. So what will come? Sin square pi by 2 is what? 1 into 1 will come. So what will come here? B. Sin pi by 2 is what? 1, sin 0 is what? 0, so 1 minus 0 plus a. This one integration what will come? Y, limit 0 to pi by 4 plus b by 2. Okay, so b by 2 if I take this set, so what will come? B minus b by 2 equal to 1 plus a. This one is what? Pi by 4. So what will come here? B by 2 equal to 1 plus a into pi by 4 will come. Okay, similarly a value from here is what will come? See, if I take a by 2 this side, so what will come? A by 2 equal to pi by 2 minus 1 plus b pi by 4. Okay, so a by 2 value we are putting here. So what will come here? B by 2 equal to 1 plus pi by 2. Okay, pi by 2 into a by 2. So a by 2 value is what? From here we can put. What will come? Pi by 2 minus 1 plus b pi by 4. So what will come here? Pi by 2 minus 1 plus b pi by 4. This will come. So what will come here? B by 2 equal to 1 plus pi by 2 is what? Pi square by 4 minus pi by 2 plus b pi square by 8. So this will come out b by 2 minus b pi square by 8 equal to 1 plus pi square by 4 minus pi by 2. So from here what will come? B is outside. What will come here? 1 by 2 minus pi square by 8 equal to 1 plus pi square by 4 minus pi by 2. So b value what will come? 1 plus pi square by 4 minus pi by 2 divided by 1 by 2 minus pi square by 8. This will come. Okay, and this b value if I put here, then we can find out a value. So what will come here? Yeah, we can find out from here. So a value what will come? 2 times pi by 2 minus 1 plus pi by 4, and b value is what? This one. So what will come here? 1 plus pi square by 4 minus pi by 2 divided by 1 by 2 minus pi square by 8. This will come. So this is a value, this is b value, and a and b value if I put here, so we'll get the fx function.